In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Permalink in Blogger if you want to change the URL of one of your Blogger posts. The process is simple once you know where to look. One important thing to keep in mind is that Blogger usually requires the post to be in draft mode before you can change its permalink. So that's exactly what we'll do first. Start by going to your Blogger dashboard and opening the posts section. This is where you'll see the list of all the posts on your blog. From here, find the post whose permalink you want to edit and click on it to open the post editor. Once the post is open, look toward the top area of the screen near the preview option. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to preview. Click that drop-down to open the available actions for the post. In that menu, choose Revert to Draft. This step is necessary because if the post is already published, Blogger won't let you directly change the permalink until it's back in draft status. After the post has been reverted to draft, move your attention to the right-hand side of the editor. There you'll find the permalink settings. Click on the permalink drop-down to expand the options. Blogger will usually have an automatic permalink selected by default, but since you want to customize it, click on Custom Permalink instead. Now type in the new custom permalink you want to use. This is the part of the URL that identifies your post, so keep it clean, short, and easy to read. A good tip here is to use simple words related to your post title and avoid unnecessary characters. That makes your link look more professional and can also make it easier for readers to understand what the page is about. Once you've entered the new custom permalink, take a quick moment to review it carefully. It's a good idea to double-check spelling before publishing, because the permalink becomes part of the post's web address. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Publish. That will save your changes and republish the post with the updated permalink. And that's it. You've successfully edited a permalink in Blogger. If you're updating older posts, just remember to be careful when changing published URLs, especially if they've already been shared, because the link may no longer match the old address.